What's up, guys? It is your girl Linda Simpson, who that teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. How y'all guys doing? You already know what time it is, and if you don't, this is a line dance teaching channel where I teach you the step to a line dance and give you step-by-step instructions. So if you like this channel, make sure you subscribe, leave me a comment, and let me know what you think. So this next line dance I'm going to teach you is called Sha Ron. It's the four-wall dance and it moves clockwise. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. And as a friendly reminder, if you're interested in dancing along with me with the music, I'll pin a video right here, okay? Let's go. So I'm gonna stand on this side, back of this, the back of the wall, face this wall right here. And like I told you, the line dance is gonna move clockwise, okay? Full wall dance. And it's gonna start with a step sailor. We're gonna do 3, starting on the right. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. So we ended with a rock on the left and the right. 5, 6, 7, step sailor. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, rock, 7, 8. So there's a step, sailor, step, sailor, step, sailor, rock, rock. Okay? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay? 7, 8. So we're going to add on. Step, knee, rock, rock. Step, knee, rock, rock. So we step on the left, left, knee, rock, right, left, step, right, left knee, and rock, rock. It's 1, 2, rock, 3, 4, step, 5, to 6, 7, 8. So that's 2 8 count, okay? You step sailor 3 times, and you rock, and you step, knee, rock, rock, step, knee, rock, rock on the left and the right. Let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, sailor, step, sailor, step, sailor, left, right, knee, right, knee, left, right. So I say step left, knee, right, left, step right, knee, left, right. Again, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, step sailor. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, rock, 7, 8. It's 1, lift, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now, 8 was on the right. So we're going to do step, knee, step, sailor. Step, knee, step, sailor. Do 2 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Okay, so that was your next 8 count. So we step on the right, step, knee, come down on the right, left, right, step, knee, right, left, right. Okay? So let's add that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, rock, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Oh, no. I'm sorry. Forgot my rock. 5, 6 from the top. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Step 1, 2, rock, 3, 4, step 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, knee, step, sailor. Step, knee, step, sailor. Okay, so let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step sailor on the right, step sailor on the left, and rock left, right, left, knee, rock, rock. Step right, knee, rock, left, knee, right, sailor. Step, knee, right, sailor. Step, knee, tap. So to add 3, 4, and 5. Tap 6, down on 6. Again, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, out, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Again, step on the left, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, tap 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, in, drag, tap, drag, tap, right heel, left heel, walk it up. Right, left, left. And that's the end of the dance, okay? So, we did the step with the quarter turn to the right, 2 knees. Step on the left, knee, tap. Again, left, right knee, tap, out, in, out, drag in. Do it again, out, drag in, tap right heel, left heel, walk it up 4. Right, left. And the dance starts over again. Okay, so let's put it all together. So the first thing we do is 3 step sailor. Step sailor on the right, step sailor on the left, step sailor on the right, and we rock left, right. Okay, then we step left, right knee, rock right, left, step right, left knee, and rock left, right. We step left, knee up, step, sailor, step left, knee up, step, sailor, step left, quarter turn with a knee up, tap down, go out, in, out, drag it in, go out, drag it in, tap right heel, left heel, then walk it up for 4. And right, left. And that's the dance. So let's go through the whole thing. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, rock, 7, 8, it's 1, 2, rock, 3, 4, step 5, knee 6, 7, 8, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, tap 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8, right heel, left heel, walk it up for 4, right, left. Okay? Now, I'm going to do it again, and I'm going to do the count, and then I'm going to turn to this wall, so we can do it a couple of times. Let's go ahead and do it here. Do it at this wall. We can do it a couple of times without you looking back at the camera, okay? So stand on this side and look at this wall. Remember, we start with a step sail on the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, rock, 7, 8, step 1, knee 2, rock, 3, 4, step 5, knee 6, and 7, 8, is 1, 2, 3, 4, step 5, 6, 7, 8, turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, tap 6, out, 7, and 8, drag 1, 2, 3, tap 4, drag 5, 6, 7, tap 8, is 1, 2, 3, 4, walk it up, 5, 6, 7, from the top, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, rock, 7, 8, step 1, 2, rock, 3, 4, step 5, 6, rock, 7, 8, is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, turn 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, tap 6, out, 7, and 8, drag 1, 2, 3, tap 4, drag 5, 6, 7, tap 8, heel 1, 2, and 3, 4, walk 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's it. Sha Ron. So remember, I started at this wall here, and I'm moving clockwise to my right, and it's a 4-wall dance. Okay? That is Sha Ron. Remember, at the end of this video, we can dance together. to make sure you have the right steps. When you get it, would you leave me a comment and let me know what you think? Like, share, and comment. Make sure you subscribe. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.